The next variation I'm going to show you of a back stitch is what I call the knotted back stitch. Now we're going to make some French knots, and one thing that makes French knots hard that we can avoid is if you start a French knot in the same place that you started the stitch. So if I'm coming up here and I've my starter knot is right there, making the French knot land in the right place is going to be tricky. So I am actually going to bring this down, and I'm going to pull the knot just a little bit away from the edge of the fabric. Then when I make my French knot, I'll have a little bit more room to pull the thread through without it getting caught on that other knot. And then for the rest of the knotted back stitch, I am just going to make French knots at every intersection of the stitches.